Okay. I have made all the paper airplanes from the Quest Book of Paper Airplanes. Okay, so first we have the Flying Ninja, which is it's a stunt type. Its flight speed is medium, and you throw it normal, and you can fly it indoors or you can fly it outdoors. And then we have the hammer. Its type is a dart. It flies very fast, and you throw it very hard. And you can fly it indoors or outdoors, like the Flying Ninja. And then we have the spy plane. It's a glider type. You throw it, medium. Its flight speed is medium, and you throw it hard. Then we have the Nakamura lock. It has two types, dart and glider. Its flight speed is slow, and you throw it soft. It's an indoor. Oh, and the spy plane is outdoor. Then we have the Space Cruiser. This type is a glider. And its flight speed is very slow, and you push it very soft. And it's an indoor. Then we have the Terraplane. It's a stunt type. Its flight speed is medium, and launch speed, which is how hard you throw it. It's hard. It's very hard. And it's an outdoor. The Professional. Then we have the Professional. It's dart type, stunt type, and glider type. Its flight speed is fast, and you throw it hard. Then we have the Hurricane. Its type is toy, and it goes slow, and you throw it soft. And then, it isn't last. The Headhunter. Its type is a dart. Its flight speed is fast, and you throw it normal. Then, it's my own creation, Space Jet X-1000. You throw it hard, and it's an indoor, and it flies very fast. It's just like the hammer, except it looks sleeker.
Cool gallery.
That's about all my planes.